In the today's video, we will see how we can draw this type of cut line or a scissor line in MS Word, also in MS PowerPoint too. So let's start with the video. Click on Insert, go to Symbols, click on More Symbols. From here, you can choose a winding. So I am inserting a scissor from here. Click on Insert and close it. Go to Home, change the color and change its size also. I am increasing the size to 24. After that, click on hyphen sign on the keyboard like this, so that you will get a cut line, or you can say a scissor line in MS Word. This is one way, and another way is, which is one of the more accurate one. So again, click on Insert, click on Symbols, select More Symbol and choose a scissor from here, insert it. Go to Shape, select Shape and choose a one line. Press a Shift key and drag the line so that you will get a straight line from here. Right click on that line, choose a format shape and change the color of your line. I am to change a dash. Here we can choose a dash type to this one. To make it more attractive, we will increase a size width of the line to 2 points, and we will change a cap type also to rounded one, so that it will look a great one. We can change the color also from here and adjust the line like this. So in this way, you can create a cut line or scissor line in MS Word. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.